Clever cars. This is Max's house. The garage door is opening. Good morning, Max. Max went for a drive. I wonder what the clever cars will play today. This is a small toy loader. Will you play with this loader, Max? Of course! We'll take the loader with us. What other cars are there? Let's match the pictures. Excavator. Garbage truck. Road roller. Concrete mixer. Crane. Bulldozer. Mimi will also look for toy cars. Bulldozer. Concrete mixer. Road roller. We found 3 cars. Hooray! Let's go play. Who is hiding in this picture? Boo the pickup! He's looking for a car in the balls with surprises. Boo presses the button and a ball rolls out. What's inside? A strawberry! Boo doesn't need a strawberry. What's in this ball? A crane! A crane is a car! Boo takes it to play with. Clever cars will play on the playground. Today, there's paint and blocks. Max arrived first. He'll play with the loader. What can a loader lift? A block. Take the yellow block, Max. It's smaller. Put the block on the loader. It works! Mimi brought 3 more vehicles. There are so many construction vehicles. unload your vehicle. A crane. Look, all the vehicles are yellow, but the crane is gray. Does that look nice? No. The clever cars will paint the crane. Do you like green? You don't like it? How about blue? Also no good. Now the crane is yellow. Great! All the construction vehicles are yellow. Cool! Clever cars. Hi there, Boo the pickup. Oh, the tow truck is towing a broken-down bus. The bus is missing its front wheels. Let's see where the tow truck is going. Boo, follow him. The repair shop. This is where they repair cars. Boo has come to the ball pit to look for the two wheels. That's a horn. The bus doesn't need one of those. He's found the first wheel. A drum. And what's that? A carrot. A bell. Ding-a-ling. And there's the second wheel. Hooray! The two wheels are now in the back of the pickup. Oh dear, the scooter is weaving in and out of the other cars on the road. He's going too fast. A stop sign! You've got to stop! Watch out, scooter! Crash! There's been an accident. The scooter's mirror is broken. He can't get up. Thanks, Mimi. To fix the mirror in place, the scooter needs to go to the repair shop. And Mimi will bring the mirror. Look, Boo! There's Mimi and the scooter. There's a lineup for the repair shop. There's Max the car. He's waiting for a train at the station. Max needs a headlamp. I wonder what vehicle it's for. The clever cars are meeting next to the repair shop. They've brought with them a mirror, wheels, and a headlamp. The tow truck is coming, and behind him, a tractor. The tractor is missing a headlamp. He needs help too. The vehicles are all lined up. First, they'll repair the bus. The bus needs wheels. Hooray! He's mended. The bus has gone off to work. Now it's the scooter's turn. The scooter needs a mirror. He's repaired. Time to mend the tractor. He needs a headlamp. The tractor is ready! Thank you, clever cars! Clever cars! This is Mimi's house. Oh, Mimi's sleeping. Time to wake up. Mimi turned off the alarm clock. Good morning. What's this? A star. A rubber toy for water. We need to find a pool to play in. The pool! Fill the pool with water, Max. Max fills the pool with water from the watering can. Mimi, put the star in the water. Let's match the toys. Crabs. Fish. Dolphins, hammerhead sharks, stingrays, whales. Do you know who lives in this house? Pick up Boo! Hi, Boo! Boo is searching for toys for water in the ball pit. A whale. A stingray. A hammerhead shark. A dolphin. A blowfish. A crab. A fish. Boo! Toss the toys into the water. A fish. A crab. A stingray. A hammerhead shark. A blowfish. A whale. A dolphin. Who's this? A rubber ducky. Three rubber duckies. Cars, do you hear who's quacking? Max will take the duckies to the pool. Let's go. Done! Now all the toys are in the pool. Clever cars. 3 foamy snow piles are standing in front of a car wash. Oops! They are moving. Let's wash the foam away to see who is underneath. This is Mimi, a pink convertible. And who is that? Max. He also drove to the car wash to get cleaned. And who is under this foam? Boo the pickup. All clever cars are clean. Let's find matching pictures. Clean cranes. Liquid soaps. Brushes. Hair dryers. Sponges. Dirty cranes. Max, what did you see? Excavators are digging a hole and loading a truck with soil. Here will be a traffic light. The excavator is so dirty. And the rest of the cars, too. Let's wash them. What do we need to wash the cars? Liquid soap. A sponge. A brush. What's hidden in Mimi's cupboard? A hair dryer. A hair dryer can help dry the cars. Come, Mimi. Which cars are on the street? A crane. And Boo the pickup. Clever cars count buckets of water. 1, 2, 3. Boo takes the buckets and drives them to the dirty cars. Let's put a drop of liquid soap on the glass. Then wash the excavator with a sponge and a brush. So much foam! Wash the foam off with water. And let's wash the next car. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Wash the foam off with water. And the last car. Clean! Time to get dry. Let's turn on the hairdryer. Ooh, lovely. Great job, clever cars.